Hello, my name is Shona, and today I'm going to tell you an old Gaelic story about a pirate called Roderick the Turbulent MacNeil. He was the clan chief of the clan MacNeil, and he lived in Kismal Castle during the 16th century, which was also known as the medieval period. Roderick had made a name for himself through raiding other islands, fighting other clans, and travelling as far away as Ireland. He owned Barra, but he also owned the south end of South Uist, for a wee while anyway. There are a lot of stories about him, and I'm just going to tell you one story that I've heard. Roderick had many names. In Gaelic, he was known as Roderick the Turbulent, or Roderick the Noisy. He would have somebody shout from the top of the castle when he had finished eating, so that the rest of Barra could eat. But there's another story that he was actually a descendant of the Tartars from Russia. But it was only when he started his piracy raids that he became known as Roderick the Turbulent. It was when he raided one of Queen Elizabeth I's ships that he really became famous. Queen Elizabeth was not happy when she heard of the raid and wrote to King James VI asking him to do something about it. King James then arranged for a commission with Mackenzie of Kintail to arrest Roderick and to take him to Edinburgh to answer for the charges. Mackenzie knew it would be an impossible task to capture Roderick at his castle, as it was impenetrable, so he came up with a plan. This plan involved him going to Portugal first to get the finest wine and beer in Europe. On his way back to Kintail, he called into Castle Bay to see Roderick, and he told him about all the wine and all the beer that was on board. Mackenzie then invited Roderick to try the wine on board his ship, and Roderick was not the type to turn that invitation down. Roderick went out to the ship, which was a wee bit out of the bay, all on his own. Once Mackenzie had got him on board, they lifted the anchor and took Roderick away before anyone noticed they had gone. Mackenzie then took Roderick to Edinburgh in handcuffs and presented him to the King's Court at Holyrood Palace, where he was to answer for his crimes. When asked by Roderick why did he raid the Queen's ship, he replied, "I did it in revenge for the death of your mother." That would be Mary, Queen of Scots. On hearing this, the king pardoned Roderick, and he made his way back to Barra and never left again.